Hi, I'm Tobi.
I'm Melly.
This is our dog Nero. We are from Germany, and this is our truck named Overlander. It's a Mercedes Kurzhauber.
This video is sponsored by Skillshare. The first 1,000 to click the link in the description will get 2 months free trial of premium membership so you can explore your creativity.
We bought it 3 years ago, then we restored it 2 years, also with all interior, and the process was very hard.
Yeah.
It was much work. We never thought that it was so much work. Condition was not bad. It was very good because the truck came directly from the police. It had some rust. Yeah, normal. It's 42 years old now, and
we make it higher.
Yeah.
Because the inside Tobi cannot stand.
I'm too tall. All in all, with a truck, we paid about 60,000 euros. This is our Mercedes Kurzhauber. I think in English you can translate it as short snout. It was built in 1978, so it's as old as me. We restored it from the ground up. It has a 4-wheel drive. We had some bigger wheels on it. There were also the opinion to make much more bigger, but I think it's okay. Because of our interior, I don't want to go it so hard because my fear is to break everything in it. So you have to know everything is made of steel in it, so there's no plastic except this one. This is the one thing we need to do a little bit more work, isolation and so on, because it's too loud. Because it's very old, yeah, I know, but it's like a normal car. You have a gas, brake, the clutch, and this one is motor brake. It has 5 gears. It's too less. Would be better if he have 6. So this is some gear to repair our truck. If it's broken. This is our grey water tank. It's about 55 liters. In this, it's a little bit harder here. This is our gas tank for cooking. It's only for cooking, so we're heating with diesel. So this is 55 liters, and we can go with it about 6 months. Yeah. Also some working gear. And this is our electricity hookup, but we don't need it. We have so much solar on the roof. Yeah, but it's a backup. We have about 600 watts solar on the roof. The battery bank is lithium. It is 200 amperes, 24 volts. Yeah, it's big. But we need it to work on the computer, and so we need much energy. When we are driving, the alternator is also charging our batteries. Yeah, this is more chaos here. Yeah, sorry for that. This is our storage under our bed. So he's also very cold in it. So yeah, so it's kind of a fridge. The food for Nero, you have barbecue, chairs, a table, and some other stuff we think to need, but we don't. I think there's the half of this can go outside and we don't have to take it with us. So on the back side, there's our 5th wheel. So you have a winch here and you can take it down like this. The wheel off, the damaged wheel on, and you're good to go. Yeah. One wheel is about 110 kilos. So we have made some wood planks on it. There's only the solar panels in front of you, can chill and take a cold beer in the sun. And this one here is also very nice. So you can open this, take this out, and here are chairs. And so here are 40 liters of diesel. Yeah, if we run out, but we have a 200-liter tank. So when we are in a country where the diesel is much expensive, then we will take this. Till the last drop. These, yeah, when you are staying at the hill, just to save that the truck is not rolling, you can there's also some more garage here. In an old vehicle you have so much keys, it's unnormal. and you're always dirty. This is for tanking water, some hoses, cool hoses. And this is an extra pump because we have a filter system in it with ceramic, and we need a really high water pressure to get the water through the ceramic filters. And when you're in such countries, the pressure is not so good, so we have another extra pump. Our water tank is about 300 liters. For us it is okay for 2 weeks. This one is a storage for our wood burner. So we have you can take the wood we find outside and throw it in it. We cut it here completely around it and raised it 15 centimeters, and all these panels were new from here to there. So much, that was the most work on it, yeah.
Welcome to our beautiful inside. Here we have a wood stove. It's a very small one. We buy it in Canada. It's a Grizzly from the Cubic Mini ones. We have here a little door and can do out our stuff to make the fire. But it's a very nice one and it's very hot. But we love it, it's a good atmosphere. Tobi's side and it's my side. Our stuff, we have here some clothes. I think in this time we have too much clothes. It's very full inside. Tobi have 1, 2, 2.5. And the rest is from me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, I'm a girl. Under this is also some storage. Here starts the kitchen, our beautiful kitchen. We have a normal fridge. We thought about a special one to camping, but it's very expensive. And then we thought, come on, let's take off a normal fridge, everything is good. Gas burner, a big sink. I can, yeah, it's very good, better than at our flat. Yeah, we all time in the past we have a very small kitchen, and here it's so good. Here it's our radio controller of the water tank. The water tank is under the table. Behind the kitchen is our bathroom. We have a shower inside. Here's a curtain that the water is not make everything wet inside it, and it's work very well. You have not the same time like in a house, in a flat, in a hotel, but it's okay. No? When for short showering, we have a boiler that makes the water hot enough to do yeah, maybe 5 to 10 minutes showering. Very good. We make a pass-through to the cab. Here more place for our stuff. Here we have some books, some drinks, some yeah, something for Nero, cleaning stuff inside. Yeah, at last, behind this door, it's our toilet, the composting toilet. It separates the liquid and solid. You can have a look. Small, but it's okay because we don't spend so much time into this room. I was surprised that it's working so well, because it's not smelling, but I thought compost toilet that can't work. I think it must be dirty and it's smelling and it's inside. We're sleeping there. No. But it's very good.
I was a chief operating officer at a production factory in Germany who make e-liquids.
I make social work for 9 years. I worked with handicapped people, and after that, for 2 years, I worked with young people, made some education, working with workshops.
Before we moved in the truck, we saved up 3 years' income. So now we're living off this backup, and we are working to generate more income in this 3 years on the internet.
Everything needs more time. No?
Time is money. Yeah.
Maybe more money than you think, no? Because
you have to calculate a little bit more.
Yeah. We know other people from our families, no? They work all their life, and then when they arrive at the retirement,
can't do any more things.
Can't live their dreams.
So we thought we make it better, and we do it now.
For those of you looking to become location independent like Tobi and Melly are, I have some recommendations of some Skillshare classes that will help you achieve this goal. First is Unlocking Your Potential, 5 exercises to build creative confidence, a class about the psychology of how you could be holding yourself back from the life that you are capable of creating. Then, depending on exactly what route you would like to take, Skillshare has many different classes spanning multiple different creative domains. So if you want to learn how to build a YouTube channel, check out YouTube Success, build an authentic channel that's worth the follow. Or if you're interested in something like photography, check out the fundamentals of DSLR photography. There are so many different skills that you can learn on Skillshare that will help you achieve the goal of becoming location independent. On Skillshare, they specialize helping creative and curious people upskill. So learn something new or improve what you do for free for 2 months by being one of the first 1,000 to join at skl.sh/FLORB1.